So, hey everyone, welcome back. Good morning, all. Hey guys, my name is Venkat Bhaskar. I have around 12 plus years of experience in IT industry as well. So, till now, I train around 1000 plus students in our Java Express Academy. I will teach front end and back end both courses as well, apart from DevOps also here. So, we are going to start new batch from today onwards. Today completely about the course introduction session, about on this 40 days training period what content I'm going to teach you, detailed discussion, and which type of project I'm going to discuss. I will demonstrate you. Before going to start quickly, we are on social media platform as well. So this is our YouTube channel, Java Express. If you search in the Google, so this is our Java Express channel. From here, you can join our social media platforms. Like we are in all the platforms like a Telegram group and Facebook. So most of the students mostly like to join our Telegram group, guys. So Java Express official. So to get immediate updates for our courses or future trainings or anything, so you can join this group. I will share you this link as well in the chat window. Just you can join this one as well, guys. And this is our YouTube channel, guys. So let me give this link to you. Yeah, just I given the links in the chat window here, guys. Okay, so now we'll start our session then. So guys, so as part of this training, we are taking one real-time Java project about e-commerce application. Lot of people knows, right? So who are who wants to take this course, who are eligible to take this course means you should know core Java and Java 8 is the mandatory here. You are joining this course means obviously you should be aware on core Java. Apart from core Java, you should be strong in the Java 8 features. Java 8 features are very important to learn Spring Boot and microservices training. So even you no need to go to any online videos. So already previous batch, I mean to say previously we taken this course in our YouTube as well. So Java 8 features we have. You can visit this link and you can watch Java 8 to Java 21. All the features we have, guys. All the features you can watch in our YouTube. And Spring Basics, two concepts, IOC and dependency injection. Prerequisites for this course already available in our YouTube channel. Just you can directly visit our channel if you click here, and here two links we have. Let me open both. If you see here, Java 8 features we have. Okay, Java 8 to Java 21 features also we have, guys. We will share you that link as well. Like in Java 8, you should be comfortable Lambda expressions and Streams API. These two are very, very important in terms of interview or in terms of learning this course. And as well, Spring Basics. What is Spring? Before Spring Boot, okay, how we are developing the application, like what is Spring Framework, what is IOC container, dependency injection. These two are the prerequisites for this course, guys. If you don't know core Java, okay, please first complete the core Java, then you can attend this course, guys. Okay, so that it will be easy for you to learn this training here. Okay, that is about the prerequisites for this course. So in this course, not only Spring Boot and microservices, as a Java developer with skills are required, like a DevOps skills also we included here, like Docker, Kubernetes, and one cloud. Few concepts we will touch in AWS cloud, and as well as Jenkins CI/CD pipeline. Except the front end, everything we are covering in the back end course here, guys. So in the real time, they will expect you. These are the main skills in your resume also. This course is not only for the project development, interview guidance, and as well as project development combination here, guys. On day to day, we will be discuss different types of interview questions as well. Whenever you are attending, what kind of questions they will ask you, everything we will be teach you. No worries on this one, guys. So now this is about the prerequisite for this course. The training time is 40 days, guys. Few people may think within 40 days can I complete, means yes, this is the 47 batch, guys. So previous already evening batch is going on 9 to 10 p.m. Almost 20 sessions are completed in the evening batch, still it is going on. Now this is morning batch, morning 1 hour of daily session, Monday to Saturday 8 to 9 a.m., guys. Okay. And in terms of recordings, yes, you will get, once the session is completed, the session will be available to you anytime. You can watch the completed session as well. Okay. And course completion. Once you complete this course after 40 days, you will receive course completion certificate also. You will get it here, guys. Okay. Today completely only course introduction. Tomorrow onwards, like Spring Boot introduction, it will start. I will be show you what are the modules I will be explaining you here. For the course enrollment process, for anything if you want, you can reach out to this contact number. Hope our admin team already communicated with you. So just you can reply back. This is the contact number and this is our email ID. Alternatively, to get updates from our new batches or anything, you can join this Facebook group or Telegram group. Anything is fine. Okay. This is about the normal queries. Anyone has any doubts here? Any queries? Non-technical questions. Don't go for technical. I will go to after module completion, then you can ask your technical questions here. Okay. Now, roadmap. For our Spring Boot and microservices development, what is the roadmap here? Okay. Around 10 modules we have roadmap to learn, to expertise skill in our Spring Boot and microservices. We have 10 modules we have. All 10 modules are mandatory for everyone, guys. Everyone except the freshers no need to learn this much content, but experience if you have means definitely you should be aware. Lot of people, few modules may aware, few modules they don't know. Like few people know about first 5 modules, next seven next 4 modules they don't know. But when you are attending an interview, they will verify all the modules, not only single module. So first module about the Spring Boot. It is kind of a foundation for modern Java applications. Why Spring Boot is popular in the market? Why microservices especially popular when in terms of the Spring Boot here? To learn microservices architecture, you should be comfortable on the Spring Boot foundation here. That is about the module 1. Detailed topics also I will demonstrate you guys. Okay. And then second module, Spring Data JPA, database communication. How you can communicate with relational and non-relational like SQL and NoSQL databases like a MongoDB and MySQL. These two databases we are using as part of our development here. Then building RESTful APIs. This is very, very important. Everyone can able to develop the REST APIs, but when comes to microservice architecture, the distributed challenges we have, how we can do everything also, we will explain you. Building RESTful APIs, like develop and expose RESTful services here. This is the third module is important for building real-time Java project microservices development here, guys. Then Spring Cloud for microservices. So Spring Boot team itself, they given cloud libraries, how microservices are communicating, how we should use Spring Cloud tools in our project. That is about Spring Cloud libraries like a Eureka, Fiend Client, Circuit Breaker, and if a API gateway, lot of tools we have. That is about the fourth module. And coming to fifth, real-time Java project, e-commerce application development. Simple. If you visit a flipkart.com, amazon.com, okay, what kind of APIs you need to develop? What kind of, like, you want to place an order, you want to add to the cart. So individually you can develop. Now you are able to see the products. So product development, when you click a product, now you are trying to do add to cart, uh, cart functionality when you place an order. Okay, and continue, like payment module, shipping module, all the things we are going to develop as part of our e-commerce application here. Like okay, that is about applying all concepts in a practical project. That is about the fifth module. Till here, completely Java development here. Now, in the organization, when you are attending an interviews, this is sufficient means no. Nowadays, people are expecting DevOps also here. For Java developer, not only Java, they are expecting the DevOps tools as well. In terms of, they will not expect you completely from the scratch. At least you should be aware how deployments are happening in the market. You should be aware as well. For that, we are using DevOps also included in this course, like Docker for micro. Lot of people, they know five modules, remaining four modules they don't know. They want to attend only this course. That is not possible. This is complete course roadmap. Without knowing about fifth module, sixth and seventh, you will not understand anymore, guys. Completely, every module is depending on another module, guys. For few people, I'm giving that info to you guys. Okay, few people, I am very good at microservices, but I don't know anything about Docker and Kubernetes. Even if you attend directly on your Docker without knowing my project, you will not understand. That is the point I'm highlighting here. So, as part of DevOps tools, Docker for microservices, how you can containerize your application for portability purpose, and Kubernetes deployment level for your microservices, how you can deploy your Kubernetes, and a centralized logging, and a Apache Kafka implementing event-driven architecture, asynchronous communication, how you can do, and the cloud, we are using the cloud, like I mean to say AWS, we are using inside an AWS. How you can create Kubernetes cluster, how you can create relational database system, how you can utilize Jenkins pipeline, everything CI/CD, how you implement in the in our AWS environment. We are using an EC2 instance, we will be developed. And interview preparation, it's a bonus module. Before attending an interview, we have done around 6 to 7 videos on interview preparation. If you watch, those videos are sufficient before attending a interview. We will be share you those videos as well to you. Just you go ahead and watch. After completing the course, you should watch this 11th module. Few people think, okay, I know I am attending an interview tomorrow, I will watch the video. Yes, you can watch, but you will not understand. Why? Because at least you should be aware my course content, then only you will understand about interview preparation. Lot of things is involved as part of the 11th module here. Totally, these around 10 modules are very, very important for the Java developer here. Detailed discussion, guys. It's not like I'm explaining a small theory and one project, not like that. We are taking one project, we are applying all the concepts practically, all the tools here. Apart from this, lot of other modules are there in the Spring also, like a Spring Batch, Spring Redis, and Spring Flywheel. Lot of modules. We cannot cover everything, so it's a limited course content. These are the modules I am teaching you in the classroom here. Okay. Next, we will go you a detailed discussion. Let me go. So this is our 47 batch Excel sheet, student Excel sheet. Once you enroll, once you enroll in this course, okay, you will get this Excel sheet to you on day to day. We are, you guys need to update this document here. So if you see module wise subtopics we have. If I take module 1 subtopics, module 2, module 3, and 4, okay, 5, and one more module I missed in the document, security for microservices. So this is the another module also I should use, like a JWT, authentication and authorization. It will be play very critical important role in terms of interview, guys. Without knowing this module, if you are attending an interview, it will be difficult to crack as well. So you know all 10 modules, but you don't know this module. First they will give priority for this module only, guys. Security for your microservices here. Okay, now first let me go step by step here. If you take foundation for Spring Boot development, we have 6 topics. We have introduction to Spring Boot, features of Spring Boot, setup environment. Okay, guys, just 1 minute. 1 minute, guys. Yeah, sorry, guys. So, as part of the module 1, these 6 modules we have. Okay, around introduction to Spring Boot, features and benefits, setup development environment, and Spring Boot annotations, how to run. So, module 1, you will be comfortable environment setup and Spring Boot knowledge for developing your APIs here. From day 1 onwards, we are every concept we will be related to our project architecture here. Before starting the project, you should be have a fundamental knowledge. Even if you know, you should be go through these videos one more time for the live sessions as well. So once the topic is completed, overall this module is completed, it may take 2 to 3 days of time completion for each module, right? So if you take this module, like whether am I covered or not, whether you attended the class or not, now rate yourself. How much for this specific topic? Rate yourself here. Whether you are comfortable 4, 5. I should expect 5 from you after taking this live session, guys. If it is a 4 means somewhere you are not clear about this topic. That is the meaning. Overall status, whether you completed, in progress or not yet started. So this is for your understanding, and the end of the course you will see where you are after filling this form, overall picture here, so that if everything is green color, then you are ready for interview. That is the meaning, guys, this Excel sheet. If it is at least one, it is in red color, when if it is a no, then you are not eligible for interview as well, guys. I'm saying why? Because whichever topics you given as a no, they may ask you question on the same topic, guys, in interview. These kind of things will happen in the real time. Definitely you are giving everything as yes, yes, yes. Maybe somewhere you given this specific topic as no, you given, then you will get a interview question on this topic only here. So if you are unable to crack interviews, means you are not completely prepared well. That is the meaning, guys. So that's why this sheet will be useful. So end of the course, or maybe after completing the course, after 1 month, after 2 months, this sheet should be in the green color with completing all the things. Then only you can attend interviews as well. So who are not looking for interviews for microservices development? See, end of the day, lot of people are 90% for interview clearance, and the remaining 10% they want to secure their job. Why? Because they don't. Few people may come from non-technical. I'm from non-technical background, so I want to learn Java development, right? This kind of requirement we have. So if you know prerequisite for our course, then you are eligible to take this course here. Spring Basics and Java 8 features. These two things here. Okay, that is about the module 1. Coming to module 2, here main about communication to database here. From our Spring Boot application, how to communicate with database, data JPA, and CRUD operations, and integrating MongoDB with the Spring Boot application. That is about the module 2 here, data JPA here. Okay, that is about database communication here. Then building RESTful APIs. This building RESTful APIs, if you are clear 100%, na, microservices development is dead easy for you. If you are not comfortable single topic also, it will affect your architecture here, your development, it will affect. Every concept is very, very important as part of our development. We will start from microservices development when we start about module 3, building RESTful APIs. Why? Because every microservice should follow all these best practices and principles. Every concept is applicable to individual microservices as well. That is about module 3, RESTful API development here. Then module 4, microservices roadmap. Here, what is microservice architecture? What is monolithic architecture? Why microservices are popular in the market? And we will take one domain, e-commerce application here. Here I mentioned 10 microservices here. Now, each microservice one REST API. Now, each module 3, every module 3 is applicable to all the services here. Like if you take a e-commerce functional, user functionalities, product functionalities, cart functionality, order, payment, shipping, favorite, audit, Eureka, API, like that, in between design patterns will come to the picture. When you are dividing your application into multiple projects, we have a challenges we have in microservice architectural style. So all the things we will be apply like a Eureka, communication, how you can do tracing, distributed tracing, API gateway, circuit breaker, okay, Docker image creation, everything will come to here. So microservices roadmap, this map, it will take 30 days of time, guys. Real time Java project, it will, the duration is 40 days. Okay, now the remaining 10 days mainly for like a Docker, Kubernetes, JWT security, it will take. The remaining 30 days of time, your project development, it will take. Single project, a lot of people only single project they are thinking. I don't know whether they know, whether they don't know, but single project means one e-commerce, one project taking 30 days of time is how many projects we are building. See, this is a major project is e-commerce application. Inside here, number of microservices we are going to develop. I see couple of students, only one project you are teaching, not 2 to 3 projects. Then you need to attend 6 months of course to take 2 to 3 projects means. Okay, so one project only we are taking this much of time is we are applying all the concepts here. That is about module 4. Lot of people aware about till module 4. From module 5 they are not aware how I can take Docker, how I can convert our this development into Kubernetes, how I can deploy into cloud, how the relation we have, like may not be aware the cloud knowledge as well, right? For those people, why Docker is important and how you can convert these microservices into a Docker. That is about the Docker understanding. Okay, and then see, detailed discussion on Docker, detailed discussion on Kubernetes means DevOps course. That is completely different. With respect to Java developer, whichever required to deploy our application, those concepts I'm explaining, Docker and Kubernetes and AWS cloud, guys, not completely DevOps module here. Okay, the main focus of our module is Spring Boot and microservices training here. The remaining kind of additional content, additional benefit for you guys to crack Java interviews. Okay, and see module 6 And Kubernetes, why Kubernetes is popular, how to run our microservices on Kubernetes, managing deployments. Definitely you will see interview questions on these modules in the real time, guys. Damn sure 99% you will get a question. Simply they will not ask you what is Kubernetes. They will ask you, hey, how are you deploying your microservice in deployment? How, what is the strategy you are following? What is the deployment plan? Then you should say answer about we are using Kubernetes for deployment for our project. So when you say Kubernetes, then he will start asking follow-up questions. Okay, what is deployment file, what is service file, and I have a Spring Boot application I want to deploy into Kubernetes. What are the components are required? Okay, in Kubernetes, what configuration you will make, where are you deploying? N number of interview questions they will ask you on module 5 and module 6 as well. So module 6, some few topics were added. And Apache Kafka, event-driven communication. When you have these many number of services, I want to make event-driven communication, asynchronous communication. Why Apache Kafka came to the picture here? The use case we will be explaining you in our microservice architectural style. And then cloud, lot of people not aware cloud knowledge, right? As part of AWS we are taking mainly three important services. In AWS n number of services. This is not like a cloud course, right? So in AWS cloud basics, like how to create your account, how you can manage the billing alarm, okay, how to create a EC2 infrastructure setup, how you can create CI/CD pipeline, how you can integrate in CI/CD with Docker and Kubernetes with database. Complete flow we are going to discuss about the module 8. So module 8, only in the weekend we will take, 2 weekends we will take, around 4 hours it will take of session to completing this module here, DevOps course. 4 hours it will take definitely. Why? Because first 2 hours of session fundamentals, and then we will start our deployment here. This module end of the course, once your microservices everything comfortable now, these are the independent topics also here. If you have a Spring Boot knowledge, we can able to deploy our application as well. That is about module 8. Then securing microservices like JWT at the API gateway layer. Okay, Spring Cloud gateway layer, how you can integrate JWT security and a role-based access control. You have admin role and user role. Next 1 or 2 sessions, I will show you front end. Whatever you are developing in the back end, this microservice architecture, how front end will be related, like a back end and front end. E-commerce application, complete front end application with React JS course. That is also previous batch we taken one course, React JS course. How it will be useful backend APIs in the front end, I will be show you, so that you will understand about okay why front end is important, why backend is important. That's why complete full stack development, not Java full stack. Complete full stack means front end plus back end. Java full stack means completely Java development here. Okay, so maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I will be showing you in the front end as well how these what kind of APIs will be involved in the back end. Everything you will get an idea as well. And this is about the and bonus module also we have. Okay, and this is about our complete course content in our course, guys. Now you can ask your questions, whatever you have, guys. And resume preparation, yes, once completing the course, we will give a sample resume by combining all these modules, and we will give sample resume to you that you can utilize. And few people are asking this e-commerce application. When I am attending, I have a 5 years of experience. I want to attend interview. Can I keep this project? Not at all. This is for your learning purpose. Training projects you should not keep in your resume at all. Only freshers they can keep it, guys. E-commerce means everyone knows. If you are working on IBM and you want, if you keep as e-commerce application, easily it will be caught, right? IBM, Philips, Capgemini, Cognizant, Infosys. When you are working on these organizations, when you keep my project as e-commerce application, easily they will caught you, correct? So this is completely learning purpose only here, guys. As already given time, guys, timing. 8 to 9 a.m. every day, Monday to Saturday. Saturday, another half an hour will be extended based on the topic as well. Sunday, no class, Monday to Saturday. Got it? Yes, guys. Course with those all the things, just this is our contact number. Check with our admin team. They will help you our enrollment process for you. The remaining non-technical questions. If anything technical, let us know, guys. I'm help you. Any queries? Yes, no? You guys respond, guys. So,
No, no, as of now.
okay, good. Demo sessions, another 2 days also you can attend with this. Today you joined at the same Zoom link use, and tomorrow and day after tomorrow also. And we are going to start about the module one here, guys. If you are really interested to attend the live sessions, don't miss even single class also, and try to attend. We if this fundamentals is very important, lot of things you will be learn as well. In terms of the software setup, softwares required for every student's laptop. Java development, if you are a Java developer, setup means these are the softwares are required in your local system here. Okay, like the first step you should do, GitHub account. Git is mandatory, guys. You should have a GitHub account. Okay, and JDK 17 I'm using, not JDK 21 and 25. That is the latest Java versions here. Compatibility version, now we are using JDK 17. IDE, IntelliJ and STS, both I will demonstrate you for as part of development. And build tool to build our applications, dependency management, Apache Maven, and a database, MySQL. Okay, and NoSQL is MongoDB, and API testing Postman, and as part of our application Swagger version. At day-to-day basis, I should share a source code to you, right? So to handle, you should have a GitHub account, and a Git also should be there, source code management here. And a Docker desktop running our microservices, Kubernetes. Kubernetes is a creating Kubernetes in cloud environment charges applicable here. Learning Kubernetes in the cloud is very bad practice. Lot of cost it will be effective. So to save that time, using Docker desktop itself, we can make Kubernetes. Once you are comfortable with Kubernetes, then in cloud environment, how to set up Kubernetes and how to practice, how you can deploy our application. There is some load balancer concept we have that we will be deploying to AWS setup here. Apache Kafka, messaging, logging, ELK through Kubernetes, monitoring Prometheus and Grafana through Kubernetes. These are the softwares we should be installed in our local system. We will be share you all the links to install the softwares from the scratch, and don't worry on that one. For your understanding, just I given this particular table structure to you guys. Who are interested, you can take a screenshot if you want here. Okay, and coming to project architecture, this is our project architecture. This architecture include our e-commerce application here. Like we have a front-end API gateway, and then we will implement some JWT security, and we have a Kubernetes cluster and the Docker. And here different microservices we have, and we have a different database. See, every microservice their own database, like a MySQL if you take, and how the communication will be happen, how the design patterns will come to the picture, like a service discovery pattern, API gateway pattern, distributed tracing pattern, monitoring pattern, lot of patterns will come to the picture. And this is for the ELK stack. Detail level discussion, each service, how much, what is the functionality, detail level, I will demonstrate you when I implement React JS application in the front end. I will be show you how it is working in the front end as well. Then if this architecture will be helpful to you to understand clear information here. So end of the course, we are going to develop this project here. Detailed discussion, Later on time, we will be discuss for your understanding here, guys. This is the architectural style for our microservices e-commerce application here, guys. Okay. So anyway, later on time we will discuss more detail about what user can do, what product will do, what cart, everything. We will be do that discussion as well, guys. This is about the project architecture. Okay, to learn this architecture first, we should be comfortable with module 3 is the first option. Okay, once you enroll this course, yes, everyone, you will get this document, this PDF and this Excel sheet, everything you will get in the portal. You can download directly in the course, guys. Okay, so any queries? These two documents you will get once you enroll in our course, guys. You will get the PDF in your local system as well, guys. Okay, so that's all for today's session. So don't miss the live sessions from tomorrow onwards. Tomorrow onwards, we are going to start from introduction about the Spring Boot. Today, if you want to learn or go through our basics about the Spring and Java 8, so we will be share you these two links in our official Telegram group link. So join this group and use those links, and you can access a lot of other videos also we have on day to day. We will be share you in this Telegram group as well, guys, and Facebook group both. Okay. So if you know questions means we will drop off and we'll catch up tomorrow same time, guys. Okay. Thank you. Any questions? Let me know.